Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 10 credit cards perfect for beginners in 2024 to 2025. Whether you're looking to build credit, earn rewards, or manage expenses, we've got you covered. We're going to break down each card, talking about their pros and cons, fees, and why they might be a good fit for you. Let's get started. First up, the Citi R Secured credit card, a fantastic option for building or rebuilding credit. This card is designed specifically for those who are new to credit or looking to improve their credit score. A secured card requires a security deposit, which becomes your credit limit. This means that if you deposit $200, your credit limit will be $200. It's a great way to manage your spending and ensure you don't go overboard. The Citi R Secured card reports your payment history to all three major credit bureaus. This is crucial because timely payments can significantly boost your credit score over time. Plus, it offers free access to your FICO credit score. This allows you to monitor your progress and stay on top of your credit health. You can earn cashback rewards, an added bonus for using the card responsibly. 2% at gas stations and restaurants, which means you get rewarded for everyday purchases, and 1% on other purchases. This makes it a versatile card for all your spending needs. No annual fee makes it a great choice for beginners. With no hidden costs, you can focus on building your credit without worrying about extra charges. Next, let's talk about the Capital One Platinum credit card, which is all about simplicity and no annual fees. This card is designed for those who want to avoid the hassle of annual charges. The absence of an annual fee is a huge win, especially for beginners who are just starting to build their credit history. One of the standout features is the opportunity to get a higher credit limit after making your first 5 monthly payments on time. This can be a great way to improve your credit score. Additionally, you can enjoy comprehensive fraud coverage, ensuring your transactions are secure. Plus, you have access to cash at ATMs worldwide, making it convenient for travel. While this card doesn't offer traditional rewards like points or cashback, you can still benefit from using the Capital One shopping app to find online deals and discounts. It's perfect for those who are focused on building their credit and managing their finances responsibly. The tools provided can help you keep track of your spending and credit score. Overall, the Capital One Platinum credit card is a straightforward, no-frills option that offers the essential features you need without the burden of an annual fee. It's a solid choice for anyone looking to establish or rebuild their credit. Now the Chase Freedom Student Credit Card, designed for students to build credit. Earn 1% cashback on all purchases, with bonus categories for extra rewards. Enjoy perks like purchase protection and extended warranty coverage. Easy to qualify with no annual fee. A great way for students to start building credit and earning rewards. Chapter 4. Citi R Secured MasterCard R. Best for low security deposit. A secured card with a low minimum security deposit requirement. Reports payment history to all three major credit bureaus. Access to Citi R. Entertainment for special event tickets. No traditional rewards, but potential to upgrade to a better card after 18 months. A great way to build credit with a lower security deposit. Enjoy some entertainment perks and potential upgrades. Chapter 5. Wells Fargo Cashwise Visa R Card. Best for cash rewards. Earn unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases. New cardholders can earn a $200 cash rewards bonus after spending $1,000 in the first 3 months. Zero liability protection for unauthorized charges. Foreign transaction fees apply, so not ideal for frequent travelers. A straightforward cashback rewards program for everyday purchases. A solid option for earning cashback and building credit. Chapter 6. Bank of America. Travel rewards. Credit card, best for travel. Earn unlimited 1.5 points per dollar on all purchases. No blackout dates or restrictions for redeeming points for travel. New cardholders can earn a $25,000 online bonus offer. No annual fees, but no bonus categories or multipliers. A simple rewards program for travel enthusiasts. Let's talk about the Apple Card, known for its sleek design and integration with the Apple ecosystem. Earn daily cashback on all eligible purchases. 2% cashback with Apple Pay, 1% with the physical card. Manage your account and track spending within the Apple Wallet app. No traditional sign-up bonuses, but great for Apple enthusiasts. A digital-first approach with daily cashback rewards. A solid option for tech-savvy individuals and Apple fans. The Pedalar 2 Visa Credit Card. Great for those new to credit. Uses a unique underwriting process considering income, expenses, and savings history. Earn 1% cashback on eligible purchases, up to 1.5% after 12 on-time payments. The Pedal app provides tools for tracking spending and managing budgets. Higher APR compared to some other beginner cards. Emphasizes financial responsibility and offers cashback rewards. A solid choice for building credit and establishing healthy financial habits. The Synchron Premier World MasterCard. Great for introductory offers and 0% APR periods. 0% intro APR on balance transfers for the first 18 months. Earn 2 points per dollar on all purchases. Flexible redemption options for cashback, merchandise, gift cards, and travel. Foreign transaction fees apply, so not ideal for frequent travelers. A generous rewards program with flexible redemption options. A great choice for maximizing rewards and savings. The U.S. Bank Visa Platinum Card. Great for a lengthy 0% intro APR period. 0% intro APR for the first 20 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers. No annual fees, no rewards programs, just straightforward terms. Ideal for managing large purchases or consolidating debt. Plan to pay down your balance before the intro period ends. A simple card for financial flexibility and managing finances. A solid option for those prioritizing simplicity and 0% APR. Thanks for watching. We truly appreciate you taking the time to join us today. We hope this list helps you find the perfect credit card to start your financial journey. Whether you're looking for rewards, cashback, or building your credit, there's a card out there for you. Remember to always read the terms and conditions before applying, as they can vary based on individual credit profiles. It's crucial to understand the interest rates, fees, and benefits associated with each card. Don't forget to do your own research, compare different cards, and read reviews from other users. This will help you make an informed decision. Choose the one that best aligns with your financial goals and spending habits. Remember, responsible credit card use can help you build a strong financial future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more financial tips and reviews. Your support helps us create more valuable content. See you next time. Stay financially savvy.